Welcome back to the channel of Car Compass. Today we're diving into the 2026 Nissan Sentra, exploring everything from its specs and features to performance and market availability. Nissan has taken a step forward with this new model, refining its design, upgrading technology, and ensuring that the Sentra remains a strong contender in the compact sedan segment. The exterior design of the 2026 Sentra features a sleek aerodynamic profile with sharper lines, an updated V-motion grille, and redesigned LED headlights. The sporty stance is complemented by newly styled alloy wheels and a more aggressive front fascia. The rear has also been refreshed with modern taillights and a sculpted bumper, giving the sedan a premium feel. Nissan has introduced new color options, catering to buyers who want a fresh and stylish look for their daily driver. Inside, the 2026 Sentra offers an upgraded cabin with higher quality materials and an improved infotainment system. The dashboard now features a larger touchscreen with Nissan's latest user interface, offering seamless smartphone integration through Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. A digital instrument cluster provides real-time vehicle information, and higher trims come equipped with a premium Bose audio system. The seats have been enhanced with improved cushioning and Nissan's zero-gravity technology for added comfort on long drives. Heated and ventilated front seats, along with a panoramic sunroof, are available in select trims. The rear seats provide ample space, making the Sentra a practical choice for families and commuters alike. Under the hood, the 2026 Sentra continues with its fuel-efficient four-cylinder engine, delivering a balance of power and economy. The standard 2.0-liter engine produces around 150 horsepower and is paired with a continuously variable transmission for smooth acceleration and improved fuel efficiency. For those looking for more performance, Nissan may offer a turbocharged variant or a hybrid model to enhance both power and mileage. The suspension has been fine-tuned for a better ride quality, ensuring a comfortable drive even on rough roads. Steering response has also been improved, making the Sentra more engaging to drive. In terms of safety, Nissan has equipped the 2026 Sentra with its latest driver assist technologies. Features like automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, lane departure warning, and adaptive cruise control come standard across most trims. The Pro Pilot Assist system, available in higher trims, adds semi-autonomous driving capabilities, making highway commutes easier and safer. Parking sensors and a 360-degree camera system assist drivers in tight spaces, further enhancing convenience and security. Market availability for the 2026 Nissan Sentra is expected to roll out in different regions at varying times. In North America, the model should arrive in dealerships by late 2025 or early 2026. Other markets, including Europe and Asia, might see the launch slightly later depending on demand and local regulations. Nissan plans to offer a variety of trim levels, ensuring that buyers can choose a configuration that suits their needs and budget. Pricing is expected to remain competitive, making the Sentra an attractive option in the compact sedan market. Overall, the 2026 Nissan Sentra builds on its reputation as a reliable and stylish compact sedan, with improved technology, better safety features, and enhanced driving dynamics. Whether you're looking for an efficient commuter car or a stylish daily driver, the Sentra continues to be a solid choice. That's all for today's video. If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more updates on the latest cars and automotive news.